Hey everyone, here's an update video of my airplane collection. Back on my channel in last year, 2021, last April is when it was, about a year ago. I also uploaded a video of my collection there too, but it's really been upgraded since then. Got a lot of new planes. We'll start off here with our United Road. We got a lot to get through on that side. Got that. We got a United 777-200ER, another 777-200ER, 787-9 Dreamliner. Down there we've got a United 747, 3 JetBlue A320s, and some Southwest here. I don't know what kind of 737 they are, because Southwest only flies 737, but the reason I don't know is because they didn't say when I bought them. This one here, the wing was broken, but that's okay. Here we got some Deltas, 2 Spirit A320s, 2 American 777-200ERs, 2 Frontier A321s, Spot the Jaguar livery, and a Legionnaire A320. We got 2 Hawaiian Airlines A330-200s. Here's an Alaska Airlines 737-700. I think it's a 700, but I'm not sure. Here's a Caribbean Airlines with some British Airways, 2 747s. Sorry about the noise, it's just people doing some yard work today, and I'm recording outside. Here's a 787-9 Dreamliner, and a British Airways Concorde. The thing with the Concordes, this Concorde, is that it used to have wheels, but the wheels broke off, so it's like an airplane in flight now, but that's okay. There we've got a British Airways A380-800, 2 WestJets, the old livery and the new livery. Old livery is the closest one, the new livery is the farther one. And the closest one, the old livery, is a 737-700. And the new livery is 787-9 Dreamliner. Got an Air Canada 777-300ER, a KLM 787-9, a Thai Airways Airbus A350, Emirates A380, Etihad 787-9 Dreamliner, Qantas A380, and a La Polish Airlines Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Here, got an Alitalia A330-300, a LATAM 787-8 Dreamliner, a Pan Am Boeing 747, an LL a 787-9 I think, but I'm not sure. A Lufthansa A350, a Copa Airlines 737-700, 2 UPS planes. One says Synchronizing the World of Commerce, one doesn't. And here we got a FedEx 767-300, and 2 Air Force Ones. The gray one's also an Air Force One. The thing with the Air Force Ones is that I think the closer one looks quite a bit more realistic than that one. Of course, the gray one's not a Darren. I don't know what kind it is, but it's a pullback model. And there's a 787-9 Dreamliner. No, sorry about that, it's a 777X, which is a 777-9. That's about it for the Darren models. Here we got 3 Gemini jets. Southwest Boeing 737-800 Freedom 1 livery, Breeze Airways E195, which is my favorite of them so far, and that is an American Eagle E175. And those are 1-400 models. Got 2 Darren Skymarks. The Sun Country there is a 1/130 scale, Boeing 738, and an MD-80 American Airlines 1/150 scale. Now those, the Delta 747 and the Air France A380, aren't Skymarks. they're actually busy flies. I can see thinking they're sky marks because they have the sand. And actually, I thought they were sky marks at first too, but actually, busy flies. And there we got another busy fly, which is a Swiss Air 747, which is missing the sand. And then here we got two of these little planes. That's a Matchbox, and that's a Macedo, I think is what the brand is. This one is a DC-10. That's a 787-8 Dreamliner. Down there is a homemade JetBlue E190 blueprint. And the Vacation Airline is not a real airline, but it's a fake airline on the toy. Is an Airbus A380-800. Now, what's cool about that one is that it's not just any ordinary toy. It's a pullback also. But what I really like about it is how you can open it up like that. Pretty slick. And you can see the seats in there. Nice. But yeah, pretty cool plane. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.